Alright, well this is workbook page 38. I just wanted to go over some of these. I've already listed the original pre-image coordinates just to speed things up a little bit. On number 5, it asks us to rotate the triangle QRS 90 degrees counterclockwise. So as soon as you get problems like this, you need to go through and you need to identify how are you rotating it. So on number 5, it's going to be 90 degrees counterclockwise. And if you remember from the quick notes sheet that I gave you, when you do any 90 degree rotation, no matter which direction, step 1 is the same. Step 1 is you're going to take the two numbers, the ordered pair, and you're going to swap those two numbers. That is the first step, and it works for both rotations, both 90 degree rotations. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to complete step 1. So I'm going to swap the -9 and the -10. And I'm going to do that all the way down for all three of these. So I'm swapping these numbers. And I have swapped them exactly how they were originally written, the signs and everything. So I've completed step 1. Now step 2 is to come back and I need to decide, depending on which way it's going, am I going to change the sign on X or am I going to change the sign on Y? Remember, counterclockwise, you're going to change the sign on X. And if you remember the little saying that we had, why is CC my X? Because she caught me swapping digits. So we've already swapped our digits, and now CC, or counterclockwise, is my X. So that means I need to come back down and I need to change all the signs on the X values. So you can either erase your negative or just make it a plus symbol. So you may see it like that, or you may see me write a plus symbol. Either way, that means that they're positive. At that point, you can go ahead and just graph that image onto your coordinate grid. So +9 and -10. You always start from the origin right here. And so +9 means 9 units to the right, and -10 is 10 units down. So I go to 9, -10, and that puts me here, and that is Q prime. The next one is 5, -3, so I go right 5, down 3, and that is R prime. And then 9, -5, so right 9, down 5. Go one more, all right, and that is S prime. And now I can simply connect my dots. All right. I know it looks a little crooked because it almost looks like a boomerang shape, but that is it. Had I used a ruler, it would look a little bit better. And ask yourself at this point, does it seem to be right? We know we were taking this original and we were going counterclockwise. So from here, 1 quadrant over, so it did go 1 quadrant, that's correct. And it did go in a counterclockwise manner, so that is correct. Number